How to reactivate ChatGPT account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, you will learn how you can reactivate your deactivated ChatGPT account. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your web application and at the top search bar type in chatgpt.com. As you do so, you will land onto a page like this. You will see login or sign up option on your top right. Click on to login. Now at this page, if you have previously used your email address and password to sign in, then you have to enter your email address here. Click on to continue, then it will land you onto password section. Enter your password, then click on to log in. But in my case, I have used my Google account in order to sign into my ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and do that. It will list out all the Google accounts that you have. Choose the one that you used for registering ChatGPT account. Click onto it. And just like so, once you're done, it will land you onto a page like this. If you click onto your initial on your top right, it means that your account has been reactivated. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.